Flashback.
Hey guys, just a quick recap on this 1958 Chevy Apache build. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Appreciate it. We'll get you caught up to where we're at this point. So we cleaned it, had some rat droppings and other fun stuff inside, tore down the body to the frame. We left the cab on, but the frame was pretty solid, just needed to be cleaned up. So we hit it with the wire wheel and some grinding and sanding, got some rust reformer and some phosphoric acid all on the frame just to tighten it up and hopefully preserve it for as long as possible. And lastly, we pulled that LQ4 6.0 out of the Chevy Express van. We're putting it back together, getting it all set to send it back home to California. One of my buddies is going to drop the engine in, get it all lined up, and hopefully we can get this rig running.
End of flashback.
Alright guys, we're back. You know what's under the tarp, under the truck cover. Old red. Whatever we're going to name it. But it's been chilling here in my hometown, SoCal. My best buddy, Axel, he's got a good friend of ours that's gonna work on the truck. Look at Axel's Cruiser, his Toyota Cruiser. What is it, 68?
68.
Anything you know, you live in SoCal, man. We're all about the classics. So we're actually gonna tow this thing out. It's been sitting here in my parents' driveway for at least 6 months. Sometimes things don't work out the way you plan with these old rides, and you know you just gotta take everything in stride. And she's finally gonna get worked on now though, so she's been chilling, she's been having the engine sitting in the back this whole time. So let's get it uncovered so we can see what kind of state she's in.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, we're taking it over to Axel's place. Look, the truck's coming right now.
Oh, you got a trailer. Oh, you got. Wow. He for real, for real.
We're not playing.
Uh-huh. They're gonna fix it. Alright guys, so we have a big day today. I'm wearing a mask because we're in California. But
These are pros right here.
she is going in. Yep. Hello.
It's just a roller.
Yeah, it closes.
No.
Right?
Just gotta put the bricks and stuff.
Yeah.
Turn the wheel and see.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. She's leaving. She's been here for like how many months?
Go here. So what's the trunk?
Okay. So we got
Got the rear axle in there. Right here.
oh, it's going up,
Yeah.
hun.
There she goes.
It's a classic. Okay, what did you have back here? Got the engine? What is it? A Q what? LQ4. is nice. It's a nice tow truck. All right. There she goes. How do you feel about the car being gone? The truck?
It's just something else is gone.
Now Ron can have his parking space.
All right, guys, we're here. The tow truck just dropped the truck off, and we're here in Homeland. So we got a nice little farming kind of area. This is where the people be working with tractors and farms and old classic rides. So let's check it out. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here. Mi amigo Marcos, Axel. That's right. So yeah, this is the spot over here we brought it to. Got a little work to be done. The engine in the back will be he'll be dropping it in right here. He's got his lift back there. So the tractor to do all the heavy duty lifting. But okay. Leaving.